Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I have covered my canvas with Artist Loft Black, mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol with water to thin it. Just want to say that up front before I forget. I'm totally out of my time zone here because my company's moving and that I work for, and they had trouble with the internet, so I'm not able to work this morning. So it's like 8:30 in the morning. I never do pours this early in the morning. So if I totally flub up, you all have to forgive me. I decided I wanted to use the golden paints that I have mixed up, and the description, it will be in the description box the way they're mixed and the product that I used and stuff. And it's the golden, that's the Flow acrylic paint. And the colors I have are magenta, green, phthalo green, golden naphtol red, yellow ochre, and phthalo blue. So that's the colors. I'm gonna just do, I think, just play a little bit. I'm just gonna put some colors in a cup and do maybe just a few puddle pours or something and see what happens. Some straight pours, not puddle pours, and just see what I get. So I think I'm gonna start out by opening all my bottles because I have them all sealed up. I hope you all are having a good day. This moving thing at work is gonna be a little different for us, but it'll be a good thing in the long run. So hopefully they'll get that all situated and I can get back on my regular routine here soon. Let's just see what happens. Let's put some yellow in first. These are really thin, the way they're mixed. I think my top's about halfway stopped up on that one. Little yellow ochre. It's a darker color. I'll put some blue in there. See how that goes. Some red. I don't think I'm going to add any green to this cup. Ooh, that came out super yellow, didn't it? I really like what's happening right there. That looks pretty cool. Okay. I'll put that back up in the middle. I think I'll do another cup. Start out with a little yellow. This is the Naphtol red. It's really red. This is the magenta, which is lighter. Nope, brighter, darker. Look at that. Let's put some blue in on top of that. See if we get a purple. It's kind of a weird way of doing it, but I just want to play and see what happens. May wish I hadn't done that. And see, this is still moving over here. Ooh, look at that blue come out. Right there. Got a blue edge on it. That went really cool. I'm having fun doing this. This is cool. Let's do some green. Haven't done that yet. Really bright green. Put some more yellow in with that. Maybe that'll lighten it up a little bit. I do have some zinc white that is golden. Put some more of that pretty blue in there. Stand up there. Stuff does not always cooperate with me. I think I'm gonna let it run off the edge. Ooh, I don't want to lose all that pretty blue up there though. That green's blending in and looking pretty. I've got to fix that place where I stuck my thumb up against my black paint. I like this. I like it a lot. Da, 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 da. And it doesn't take a lot of paint. Cover up that hole in the black. Ooh, almost lost all that blue. Hope y'all can see this and the light's not reflecting so crazy. I think now I'm gonna let it run all the way down. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back to the center. I still got quite a bit of paint on here, I think. I kind of like this. I think it's different. See if I can get some of it to tilt down a little bit and spread out. I hope it doesn't dry too dark. You know how that goes. Sometimes they look wonderful and then they dry really dark. All right, I think I'm done playing with it actually. See how this dries. If it dries okay, maybe I'll do another couple with more of a blue, some red, some purple, because that did blend to make some purple in there. More galactic kind of look, and see how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching. I know I haven't been present lately very much. I've just got a lot going on, so I'll do the best I can for you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed this, and you all let me know what you think. And this is definitely different than what I normally do, and I really do like it, even though it's got a lot of different colors in it. I just hope it doesn't dry too dark, and if it does, I'll know to use more of the white next time in the mix. When I pour it in the cup, lighten those colors up a bit, and we'll go from here. So thank you again. I'll take the camera down and give you all a close-up. Well, my tripod is reflecting in the painting, but wow. I wish it was as vibrant actually in person as it is in the camera, because that yellow is really lit up in the camera, but it's not quite that bright in person. But I do like the way this turned out. I think it's dramatic. It has a lot of movement in it. I love the colors. So I may play with this some more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll show it to you at the end dry.